Today we're going to be focusing on the use of the healing brush and patch tools. Do a file open and open up the mountain.psd image that is part of this tutorial. Once that image is open, I want you to zoom in 200%. I'm going to do it by hitting Command plus on my keyboard. So zoom in 200%. The way I know I'm zoomed in 200% is because I can see here in the bottom right corner, it says I'm viewing this image at 200%. Next, I'm going to go ahead and go over to my toolbar, and I want you to navigate towards the healing brush tool. There's several tools in here, but we're going to be focusing on the healing brush tool for this exercise. Looks like a band-aid. I'm going to select the healing brush tool, and next I want you to go up to your option bar and make sure that you have a 10 pixel brush with 0% hardness. And then also make sure that your mode is normal and that your source is sampled, because we're going to be telling Photoshop what part of the picture we want to recreate and change things with. So the goal for this is we want to erase or cover up these initials DJ. So the way to do this is to hit Option and hold it down on your keyboard. This little bullseye is going to appear, and then I'm going to click my mouse to make a selection of a clean, beautiful part of the rock that I want to use to cover up this DJ. Click, and then I'm going to release my Option key, and then I'm going to use quick strokes to slowly cover up the DJ. So short strokes will remove the imperfection. Next, I want to show you how to use the patch tool. This tool lives under the healing brush tool. Looks like a little patch. And this tool works a little bit differently. Once I have the patch tool selected, I want you to go up to your option bar and make sure that you have source selected as your option, and also that your patch is normal. And this tool is really fun. I'll zoom in a little bit further and show you how it works. So my goal using this tool is to get rid of these holes in the rock. This tool works very much like the lasso tool that we've gone over in class in the past. So I'm going to start with this hole right here in the kind of mid right area of the picture, and I'm going to circle the hole and make sure I end that selection. So you've got your marching ants, and then I want you to notice that there's the patch icon has appeared with an arrow pointing right. So I'm going to click in the center of the selection and drag my selection to the right. And you'll see as I do that, the imperfection slowly starts to disappear. Then I'm going to Command D to deselect, and I'm going to do it again. Circle around these holes. And this time, even though it's telling me right, I think I'm going to go left, because I don't want to recreate holes. So go ahead and practice that and clean up your hole imperfections on this picture. So it's replicating the area really well that you want to cover up based off the pixels that are surrounding the selection. That is the basics of the healing brush and patch tools.